Okay, that wall is white, and compared to that one, this area is pretty yellow. So why is the screen much yellower than the wall under Windows 10? To fix this problem, let's go here to the right corner. Not totally to the corner here, because if you click there it will hide and show the windows. Okay, but a little bit to the left. Okay, click on that icon to show this thing, or you can press the Windows key and A on the keyboard also. Windows and A. Okay, and this portion will be shown. Okay, and click here to expand, and here we have night light. If you turn off that night light, everything becomes whiter. Now night light is on, everything is yellow. Night light off, everything is white.